Hi, this is BRR. In this video, we'll discuss about multidimensional array, like how we are using multidimensional array in C#.NET. In the earlier session, we have talked about the arrays and single dimensional array. But in this video, we'll talk about multidimensional array. So, what is the syntax of like declaring multidimensional array, and how we are storing values in multidimensional array? So, if you look at the syntax of multidimensional array, the syntax of this multidimensional array is data type, and here you have to specify the brackets and comma. So here you specify the array name. So this is the syntax, and if you declare this, let us say like int process with comma, and my array name is int array1 new int 3,2, and I'm storing values here. I can say like 1,2, comma, and 3,4, comma 5, comma 6. So this way you can declare the values using multidimensional array, and we'll see now in the program like how it is going to work out. Like as I said, I'm just declaring integer type multidimensional array of name array1 new array of int 3,2. So here I'm assigning values 1,2, 3,4, 5, 6. So this is my multidimensional array. Now, if you look at this multidimensional array, like how it is going to now keep in the memory once you declare and run the program, then the process would be like this way. So the array of these 3 rows and 2 columns have been stored like this: 1, 1 and 1, 2, 1, 3. So you can see in the example, multidimensional array is initialized by giving size of rows and columns like 3, 2. Specifies that array can hold 3 rows and 2 columns. So the values of multidimensional array can be accessed using 2 indexes here. Like in single dimensional array, we use to access single index, and here multidimensional we have to use 2 indexes here. The first index for the row and the second index is for a column. Both indexes start from 0, like this one 0, this is the first index, and this is the second index, row 0 and column 0. That means 0 0. That means this value can be retrieved. Okay, if you look at the program now, I'm just declared these values. If I want to print first row and first column of value, I used to use int array 1 of 0, comma 0. So that means it is giving a first value. Similarly, if I want to print first row, first value, then you have to give this one, and similarly last row, that is the second row of first element, you can give like this. So if you look at the output, then you'll be knowing like how it is going to retrieve the value based on indexes. So here I have to specify 2 indexes because the multidimensional array, and I have to specify multiple values. So rows and columns wise it is storing. Now if you look at this 0, 0, 1 needs written because this is represented 0th row and 0th column, and this is 1 row 1 column, means this has to be retrieved 4, because this is the first column. This is the 0th column. I mentioned first column, first row. This is the first row, and this is the first column. And the second next line is second row and first column. If you look at this, this has to be written 6 values. So this way the values are being returning like using multidimensional array, and you have to specify the multi indexes, like 2 indexes you have to specify it here as it is a multidimensional array. So this way you can access the multidimensional arrays in the C#. So this is about the syntax of multidimensional array syntax and accessing of the values. So if the program is dominating to use multidimensional array, so you can use it using this particular syntax and access those values using two indexes, that is rows and columns. Okay, thank you. Thanks for listening this video. Please watch on this YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.